They tried to ruin my life. Now they pay rent to my company. I'm Jake Harland. I bought my lakefront cabin to escape city chaos, a quiet slice of heaven where mornings smelled like pine and peace. Then came the HOA, or as my neighbors call them, the Holy Order of Authority. My place wasn't flashy. Cedar siding, an old dock, fishing gear scattered on weekends. But to them, it didn't match community standards. They fined me for my gravel driveway, then for having the wrong color mailbox. It got absurd. Still, I paid. I didn't want trouble. Until one fall morning, I received an urgent violation notice for unpaid HOA fees. Except, I had paid them, on time, with receipts. When I confronted the HOA president, a woman named Karen Foster, she smirked and said, "Our books say otherwise. Maybe you misplaced your check." I knew that tone, condescending, entitled dangerous. Weeks later, while I was traveling for work, the fire department called. My cabin had burned to ash. They said it looked suspicious. And standing across the road as it smoldered was Karen, filming with her phone. Investigators later found traces of accelerant around the HOA's property line. But without direct proof, nothing stuck. Karen claimed it was a tragic accident. I was furious, but not reckless. I decided to fight smart. Here's what she didn't know. I'm an attorney, a real estate litigator, and the HOA's charter, it hadn't been properly renewed in 12 years, meaning every fine, every notice, every fee was legally void. So, I filed suit, not as the victim of arson, as a resident over unlawful collection and property interference. When court day came, guess who walked in, representing the HOA? Karen. With that same grin, until she saw me sitting at the plaintiff's table. The judge looked at the documents I submitted. The expired charter, the financial discrepancies, the insurance records. Within minutes, her smile vanished. The HOA collapsed. Their insurance denied coverage because of improper corporate status. Karen personally faced charges for fraud. And the kicker? The neighborhood trust put all common property up for liquidation. Guess who bought it at auction? That's right. I turned their community clubhouse into my new lakefront law office, right on the ashes of my old cabin. Every month, the same people who once fined me for aesthetic violations now pay rent checks to me. Sometimes I sit on the porch with a coffee, watch the sunrise, and think about how quiet justice can be when you let patience do the talking. Then share your thoughts in the comments, but no one liked or subscribed.